Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by backing up anything you need. You will erase the device. Next, put the Chromebook into developer mode or recovery. This unlocks firmware controls. Once in recovery, insert your USB or SD installer with the replacement OS image. Make sure it's correctly written, because a bad image prevents boot. You do this now to avoid mid-process data loss and to ensure the firmware accepts non-Chrome bootloaders. You now change firmware to allow custom OS booting. Run the firmware utility script or vendor tool and choose the option to install custom firmware. If your model has a write protect screw, remove it first, because the firmware write will fail otherwise. Then reboot and select USB boot. Follow the installer to partition and format the drive. Choose manual if you want specific layouts. These steps replace Chrome OS and enable the new OS to take full control of the hardware. Once installation finishes, perform first boot and install drivers and updates so Wi-Fi, touchpad, and keyboard work correctly. Make sure to reassemble any hardware you opened, then restore backed up files only after confirming a stable boot. If you encounter a failure, boot loop, or no device found, make sure firmware was properly installed. Verify the write protect was disabled, and try a different, freshly written USB image. Often the issue is a bad image or missed firmware step, not the hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.